Hello, in this video I would like to introduce the latest OPPO smartphone. That is OPPO Find X5 Pro. The OPPO Find X5 Pro is a flagship phone that offers top-tier hardware and impressive features. It features a 6.7-inch LTPO2 OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The phone boasts a ceramic rear and aluminum edges, giving it a sleek and premium design. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip and has a 5000 mAh battery for long-lasting usage. The Find X5 Pro also incorporates OPPO's MariSilicon X NPU chip, which enhances low-light camera performance and enables night mode video recording at 4K resolution with HDR. With its high-end features and stylish design, the Find X5 Pro is considered one of OPPO's best phones to date. However, the ColorOS software and the phone's high price may not be suitable for everyone. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.